In today's video, I'm going to teach you about optimizing Shopify SEO specifically for your product pages, including titles, descriptions, and alt text. Let's dive right in and make sure your shop stands out in search engine results, attracting more visitors and potential customers. To begin, open up your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation panel. Go ahead and locate the Products tab and click on it. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have in your store. Whether you have a small or a large inventory, this part of the dashboard provides a crucial overview of your offerings. Now, find a product you'd like to optimize for SEO. Click on the product to open up its details. Here you'll find the sections where you can change the title and description of your product. The product title is tremendously important as it's one of the first things a potential buyer will see in search results, and it should clearly convey what the product is. When creating your title, try to include relevant keywords that describe your product, while keeping it concise and straightforward. The product description is your opportunity to provide more detailed information about what you're offering. It's important to include any key features and benefits that make your product stand out. Additionally, incorporating relevant keywords naturally within your description can help improve visibility in search engine results. Remember, you're not only writing for search engines, but also for customers, so make sure it's informative and compelling. Next, let's enhance your product media by adding alt text. Alt text, short for alternative text, is used to describe images. This not only aids search engines in understanding what your image is about, but also improves accessibility for people using screen readers. To add alt text to your product images, click on the image or media file. This will open it in full view. On the right side of the full view window, you'll see an option to type in a name and alt text for your media. The alt text should be a brief description of what's in the image, focusing on clarity over creativity. Think of it as capturing the essence of the image in a few words, which can help with both accessibility and SEO. Once you've updated the title, description, and alt text, your product page should be much more optimized for search engines. These tweaks can significantly impact your store's visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find your products online. And there you have it, optimizing Shopify SEO for your product pages by enhancing titles, descriptions, and alt text is not as daunting as it may seem. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your online presence and reaching a broader audience.